Good morning. This video is meant to give an overall idea about legal concerns of senior citizens. Several senior citizens are isolated, abused, and exploited in different ways. There are 5 videos in this area of legal protection. And this is the first video to give an overall idea. First area is health care. Some of the senior citizens are suffering from chronic diseases. Some are having multiple chronic diseases, and such persons require constant and long-term management of health care and nursing. It is to be given high priority. Health care is to be made available, and it is to be proper and suitable. According to Section 20 of the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, government is to establish a district level geriatric unit as a nodal office. One of the duty of the geriatric unit is to monitor and supervise all the schemes chalked out by the central government and state government relating to the health care of senior citizens. Second area is income security. 1/3 of the population lives below poverty line, and they enter the old age with no savings with them, and they have no income since they cannot continue to work also. So here, government is to chalk out comprehensive pension schemes and other schemes for their care and protection, and also those who are able-bodied may be included in the schemes like microfinances for starting out or venturing a occasional trade. Third area is shelter or housing. It's a basic human requirement. They may feel comfortable in their own houses. These houses where they stay and the public places where they may travel are to be converted to, the infrastructure is to be converted to age-friendly, barrier-free access in buses, bus stations, railways, railway stations, airports, banks, hospitals, parks, places of worship, cinema halls, shopping malls, marketplaces, and other public places are to be places. The infrastructure is to be converted to a barrier-free access. By 2022, Prime Minister's Awas Yojana scheme aims to provide housing to all. That includes the senior citizens also. The Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2019 defines the word maintenance. Includes food, clothing, housing, safety and security, medical attendance, health care and treatment. The welfare includes provision of nutritious food, clothing, housing, safety and security, medical attendance, health care and treatment, and recreation and other amenities necessary for the physical and mental well-being of senior citizens. So, according to the Act, it is the duty of the children or a relative to see that maintenance and welfare of senior citizens are met. For those who are unable to prepare meals for them, free meals are to be supplied to them. Then, with regard to safety and security, majority of the abuses and mistreatment are reported to the concerned authorities because the abusers are their own children or relative. And also those who are not sufficiently educated are more vulnerable. It is necessary to empower those who are not able to speak out for themselves. In this regard, it is necessary to develop confidence in them to raise their own voice against criminal acts. Government had established maintenance tribunal headed by a revenue divisional officer in every revenue district, special police unit headed by a deputy superintendent of police is to be constituted in every police district to monitor the safety and security of senior citizens. So what can be done? The primary thing required is to create community awareness. The assistance available through the schemes and programs of the government is to be made available to the beneficiaries. Individuals who are employed in organizations meant for senior citizens are to be trained, and the concerned persons, children or relative, have to make regular and periodic visits and interact with the elderly people. All these 5 areas are discussed somewhat in detail in the following videos. Government had worked out many schemes and programs. There are many legal remedies available, and all these legal remedies stated in this video are described in detail in the following videos. Thank you.